The Algorand cryptographic money is the new age blockchain network. The innovation is now called Blockchain 3.0. The explanation is that it tackles the most squeezing issues of Bitcoin's versatility while keeping up with security and decentralization. It is accepted that this new computerized organization will work on the productivity of the customary monetary framework, and its convention will work with the smooth course of monetary standards. Algorand is a decentralized and open blockchain framework, the principal objective of which is to make a blockchain stage open to everybody, growing the capacities of clients. The principal elements of the Algo stage are high throughput and moment obviousness, which give astounding straightforwardness. Because of this, clients can rapidly and economically move Algo cryptographic money. Algorand works on confirmation of stake, POS, an agreement calculation through which holders get compensations by basically holding digital money in their wallets, or trade adjusts, numerous crypto trades backing such a capability. The Algorand network has its local authority token. For its underlying dispersion, the starting trade offering of the Binance trade was utilized. Tokens were circulated through a Dutch sale in light of the fact that the makers were persuaded that the market members ought to decide the coin's worth. Dutch closeout implies that costs are brought in sliding request as opposed to rising one. We should investigate the principal highlights of the Algorand stage, a decentralized economy. Decentralization is of fundamental significance for organizations and all purchasers of labor and products. As the economy turns out to be more computerized, consistent, and straightforward, organizations need to utilize innovations that infer decentralization to try not to lose their essential significance and endeavor to protect potential security and adaptability. The convention ensures a high installment handling speed contrasted with customary monetary frameworks. Full fruition of the exchange. It is an inventive improvement of Algorand. Blockchain gives moment and genuine fulfillment of exchanges without fanning. Other blockchains experience the ill effects of vulnerability and absence of value-based respectability, and here this issue is tackled. The utilization of logical exploration and persuasive colleagues. Algorand helps out demonstrated business pioneers working in widely acclaimed organizations. Algorand value examination. Prior to settling on any venture choices, completing some sort of preliminary work is essential. Thus, you ought to do your own exploration and investigate the value history to find repeating examples and markers with the goal that the worth of your speculations wouldn't plunge. As per the Algorand cost expectations, this advanced cash might develop soon. Furthermore, numerous crypto specialists emphatically survey the fate of Algo, and we trust that over the long run and with legitimate turn of events, the cost of Algorand will proceed with its development pattern. Algorand real cost. As of October 18, the Algorand cost today is $1.73. The cost has changed by -$0.08645 as of now. Algorand has altogether 10 billion Algo tokens available for use. The record-breaking most elevated Algo cost is $3.674475. The least enlisted cost of Algo is $0.0988663. Algorand value expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Algorand costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Algorand will be $0.40996. The greatest level that the Algo cost can reach is $0.449996. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.42996. Algo value figure for September 2022. In light of the value changes of Algorand toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Algo pace of $0.38996 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.34997 and at $0.39996, separately. October 2022, Algorand value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the Algo cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.37996, while the greatest could reach $0.40996 during this month. By and large, It is normal that the worth of Algorand may be around $0.39996. Algo value gauge for November 2022. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value changes of Algorand in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal algo rate they foresee may be around $0.40996 in November 2022. It can drop to $0.39996 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.42996. December 2022, Algorand value estimate. Around mid-year 2022, the algo cost will be exchanged at $0.42996 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Algorand worth to $0.44996. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0.40996 in December 2022. Algorand value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Algorand in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Algorand will be around $0.61994. The greatest expected algo cost might be around $0.71993. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $0.63994 in 2023. Algorand value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Algorand, in 2024, Algo is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $0.92991 and $1.08989, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.9599. Algorand value forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of Algorand and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base algo cost could drop to $1.36986, while its most extreme can reach $1.63984. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $1.41986. Algorand value forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Algorand by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least algo costs are normal in 2026, $2.42976 and $2.0298. By and large, it will be exchanged at $2.08979. Algorand value forecast 2027. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the vacillations of Algorand,